time, but no.
Why didn't you tell me that before?
I thought it was just a glitch. You know, they do happen. But I shouldn't have been riding around in that shit box to begin with. I am Harris.
Look at
Harris.
I know that.
And look at this. And look at this, darling.
Oh, that? Paris wouldn't drive around in that.
My chauffeur should be driving around in that, not me, honey.
Your chauffeur?
I am
But
too classy for that, darling.
But if you paying your chauffeur a lot of money, that chauffeur shouldn't even be riding around in that.
You see what happens when you have to go to jail? You end up getting a shit box. Okay? So don't think that, Hollywood stars get what they want, after they get in trouble. My mother was a bitch. She bought me that. She's gonna punish in hell.
She's gonna what?
So yeah, I come out here, doing charity, of course.
Mm-hmm.
All right. And by my, goodness that I am, that most of you, quote unquote, don't see, it broke down. So I think y'all should just give me a break, shouldn't you? I sweated all day.
Should they give you a show because you are just so good at mocking people?
Please.
What do you mean?
Give me a contract, not a show. Give me a new car at it.
Oh, how cute is that?
Sign me with like a BMW.
Okay.
I'll be satisfied. I'll shut my mouth.
And would you be friends with Paris?
I am Paris, honey.
You are Paris?
Paris fucking Hilton to you.
Okay, all right. Okay.